Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at two airport service theme sets by Majorette. This is the first one. This is the regular one with all unlicensed vehicles, although this one does resemble a real vehicle, but I will talk about that later on. So it's got a few vehicles in there, an airplane and some plastic road signs. These are totally out of scale, these big ones here. These are kind of okay if you had a diorama, you want to put them in there. These are kind of a correct size for this scale of vehicle, 1/64 scale thereabouts. This is what the back looks like, a lot of legal mumbo jumbo. Packaging date July 31, 2018, so this is already over a year old. So let's take a look. Cut this open. Yeah. So the first vehicle is a MAN TGS 187 scale. So we've seen this already in numerous types of vehicles. The trailer hitch. So this is a vehicle that delivers food to the airplane. That's why there's a kind of a lift on here. I think this is, yeah, as far as it will go. So it can reach the airplane hatch where the food needs to go in, and then I think this probably opens, yeah, like that. There you go. And they can unload the food this way on this platform and then onto the plane. So it's kind of cool. I don't know if it would survive very long in the hands of kids, you know, because these plastic things might not last very long. But you know, it's cool nonetheless. It's got a little bit of movement here. I don't know if that is supposed to be like that, but there's nothing I can move on the base here. It seems to be just, yeah. We'll see on the other one if it's the same. First close the hatch and then set it back down like that, and then you have just a regular truck. You can drive on the highway and stuff. So that's cool. Also comes with a trailer. So of course here the box is plastic together with the platform and the base. The truck cabin is metal, and then the whole undercarriage is metal too, except for the part that holds the wheels to the base, that is plastic. And then here we got this, oh yeah, this comes off. So we got this trailer, doesn't see anything on the base here, name wise. I don't think, yeah, this front part, it moves a little bit, needs a little bit of flexing, and then yeah, this way it has loosened up. Now you can use it like a proper trailer. So the blue part is metal, and this is metal too, and this is plastic. You can attach another one behind it, and this box, this plastic box, also has opening parts, so it opens up like that. Maybe I should hold it like this, I don't know. So that's cool. Well, it's cool to have some opening parts. A lot of play value in it. And then, of course, that's what the trailer hitch is for. Like that. Cool. Then we got a fan in here. And the trailer is attached in the packaging, so That's because there's a plastic lip over the trailer part to hold it together. So here we have the Renault Traffic. This one does have suspension, is in 1/64 scale. So as you can see, suspension. This door opens, but it is sometimes tricky to get it open. So we'll see if we will succeed in that. Yeah, there you go. It's got some seats in the back, which usually is not the case in a closed van, you know. It has no windows, but it's okay, that's just how it comes. Got the lensed headlights, painted deco in the back, and then this thing probably comes off too. Yep, there you go, so you can switch them out if you want to. This is some luggage. Again, same base here, pretty much. So you can do another one, so you could like make a train out of it, like that. And then we got this airplane. So this is all metal. It's a Boeing 787-9. It's got some tiny wheels, but they don't turn. So this is in a fantasy livery, like the rest of the vehicles. Unlike the second theme set we're going to look at, that has a licensed livery. And then probably the most interesting one in the set is a Lamborghini. So this is the Huracan LP 610-4, 1/64 scale. I think this one opens up in the back. Yep, there it is. Opening part, suspension. So this actually mimics a real vehicle that is used at the Bologna airport in Italy. This airport is probably close to the Lamborghini factory that is in Sant'Agata Bolognese. This deco, so they've had a Lamborghini Follow Me vehicle on that airport for years, and this deco resembles the 2016 version. It's not exactly the same. For instance, the real one doesn't say welcome to Majorette, of course. It says welcome to Bologna Airport, and also it does not have all these famous landmarks on it like the Eiffel Tower. It just has the skyline of Bologna on it, I believe it is. Also has Follow Me here on the roof, and I think on the window in the back, so little differences. It also has the Italian flag here on the front lip in the middle, so there's some difference there, but you know, it's cool. They made it look like that, although I don't think Bologna Airport licensed it, but apparently Majorette gave a thumbs up to use it, so that's okay. I like it, it's cool. Then let's take a look at the second one. So this is a Lufthansa theme set, licensed by the German airline company Lufthansa. So let's open it up. It's got the same packaging date on it. Let's start with this one again. So same vehicle, I don't need to show it in detail like that. Same function like the other one. This is in a LSG Sky Chef's livery, LSG stands for Lufthansa Servicegesellschaft, originally German company, and Sky Chefs, originally a American company, who kind of joined forces, or Lufthansa bought Sky Chefs, I believe. So one of the biggest catering companies in the world. So here we got the same trailer, this time also in a license livery, so it's got a different tempo right and left, so that's cool. It's got a QR code on it. Haven't tried if it works actually. Cool. And then let's take a look at the van. Again, in there together with the trailer. Yeah, easier to take it out by the trailer. So this one already turns a little bit easier. So, although when you're driving it, the trailer is too light, and that's why the front part, the triangle, won't turn. So, license livery by Lufthansa. You got the bird on the hood or bonnet, and the stripe all around, just not in the front. And this one is, I think, exactly the same as the other one, the trailer. Yeah, so nothing different there. The airplane is also licensed by Lufthansa. This is an A350, so it's a different plane. All metal too. And then we got the Lamborghini that I assume is exactly the same. Let's see, it kind of looks like it. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.